children, welcome to English class. In today's video, we'll be doing Sem 1 textbook, lesson 7, degrees of comparison. Okay, so what is degrees of comparison? As the heading movie says, comparison. Comparison means what? We are comparing the nouns. Okay, we are comparing one noun with the another noun. Okay, so how do you compare? What do we use? We use adjectives. Okay, we use adjectives. What does adjectives do? Adjectives describe the noun. Correct? No, adjectives describe the noun. It is a describing noun. So how does it describe? I can say the board is green in color, or I can say this is a green board. This is a white chalk, or I can say this is a small chalk. Now, example, when I'm talking about a chalk, okay, I will say this is a small chalk. Okay, this is a small chalk. Okay, now if I am holding this alone, then I will say this is a small chalk. Correct? No? So small is what here? Small is your adjective. Correct? No? It is describing the chalk, how the chalk is. So this is a small chalk. Now I'll take one more chalk. Now I have, how many chalks I have? I have 2 chalks here. So now I'm comparing. I'll compare this chalk with this one. So I'm comparing the small chalk with this one. So what can I say? Now purple chalk, this chalk is bigger than this chalk. Correct? No? So now the first sentence, if I say this is a small chalk. Now compared to this, if I say this is smaller than this one. First chalk is smaller than the second chalk. Okay? So what happened to the word small? First I say small. This is a small chalk. Now when I started comparing these two, okay? When I started comparing these two, I am saying this is smaller than this. Correct? No? This is smaller than this. So small will become smaller. When I am comparing with only one thing, one noun, it is small. When I am comparing between 2 nouns, okay, chalk is a thing, right? Chalk is a thing. It is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. That is your noun. So now chalk is a noun. I am comparing this small chalk. Small is an adjective. It is small is an adjective. It is describing the noun, how the noun is. So this is a small chalk. So small, your adjective small is 1. Okay. When I say this is smaller than this, okay, then when I am comparing between 2 things, small became smaller. Correct? No, small became smaller. Now what will I do? Now I will take few more chalks. Okay? I will take more than 1. Now, how many chalks I have here? I have 5 chalks. I have more than 1 here, right? I have 5 chalks. So, how big this chalk is? Is it bigger? No, this is again small. Now we will go to the pink chalk. No, again it is small. We will go to the yellow chalk. We will check. Again this is small. We will go to the final purple chalk. Again this is small. So this white chalk is smaller than purple chalk. It is smaller than yellow chalk. It is smaller than orange chalk. It is smaller than pink chalk. Now instead of saying it is smaller than purple chalk, it is smaller than yellow chalk, it is smaller than orange chalk, it is smaller than pink chalk. Instead of saying like this, I can say this is the smallest. Correct? No? So what can I say? I can say smallest. Here what I am doing? I am comparing one chalk with more than 1. Okay? With more than 1. When I am doing a comparison between more than 1, it is called as superlative. Sorry, this is a little smaller. No? smallest. Okay, when I say it is smallest. So what did we do? When I took only one chalk, okay, I said this is a small chalk. The adjective small became small only. It was small only. This is a small chalk. When I compared with two things, I said use the word that, change the adjective from small to smaller. This is white chalk is smaller than pink chalk. Okay. Now when I took more than one, when I took 5 chalks here, totally 5 chalks. Okay. So that is more than one. Sorry, more than 2. When I have taken more than 2, that became smallest. Correct? And I will say white chalk is smallest than the others. This is the smallest chalk. Compared to others, this is the smallest chalk. No? So I am saying this is the smallest chalk. Okay? So now what do you call this? The first one. Okay? Where there is only comparison between one thing. There is no comparison with another. We are talking about only one particular thing. That is called as your positive degree. What is it called? Positive degree. When I am comparing between two things, okay, that is called as your comparative degree. What is it called? Comparative degree. And when I am comparing between more than 2, when I am comparing between more than 2, it is called as superlative degree. What is it called? Superlative degree. Okay? Understood, children? Where comparison between one is called as when I am talking only about one noun, it is called positive degree. When I am comparing two nouns, it is comparative degree. In comparative degree, all your adjectives will change. Tall will become taller, useful will become more useful, because I can't say usefuler, usefulest. There is no word such as that. So some words, for some words you use just er or are. Okay. For some words you use more. Okay. Useful, more useful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Like that. And some words such as little, it will change the whole spelling. Okay. As less. Okay. And coming to superlative degree, when you are comparing between more than 2, okay, that is your superlative degree. Now tall will become tallest, useful will become most useful, little will become least. Okay, we have some more words like that in your textbook. Okay, when you open your textbook, you can see here. See the starting where you use er. You add er to your comparative degree and est to your superlative degree. Thick will become thicker, thickest. Long, longer, longest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Great, greater, greatest. Now next, when you come to this page, okay, here the comparative degree was er and est. We added er and est, correct? Now here what do we add? We add r and st, only r and only st. We have removed the e from both. Which are those words for which you have to remove like that? That is large, larger, largest. See, for the word large only we just added r to become comparative and st to become superlative. Wise, wiser, wisest. Pure, purer, purest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Fine, finer, finest. Okay? And for some positive degrees where which ends with y, okay, for them also we add er and est. Okay, and the y, whatever the y is here, we'll change this y to I. Okay, we change all the y's to I, and then we add er to a comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. Easy will become easier, easiest. Pretty will become prettier, prettiest. Lazy will become lazier, laziest. Lovely will become lovelier, loveliest. Funny will become funnier, funniest. Same way for certain words where the last letters will make it into double. Okay, now here you have big, you add another G. You have hot, you add another T. Sad, you have a D here, so add another D. Thin, you have an N here, add another N. Fat, okay, you have T here, add another T. So big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fattest. And for some, where I told you, we use more and most for comparative and superlative degrees. What words are those? Here we will see. For useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Okay? For these words, we don't change the words. We don't add anything to them apart from more and most for positive and comparative degrees. And the last thing, here, some special words. For some special words such as this, you don't add anything. Instead, you change the whole spelling. The spelling only changes completely. Like little will become less, least. Let's see some more words like that. Okay? Good. Good will be better, best. Bad will become worse, worst. We don't say badder, baddest. Okay? We say worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Okay, children? I hope you understood this. Yes or no? Okay? I'll repeat again. Okay? Now for one, when I take only one, what do? We say this is small. Okay, small is what? It is an adjective. And what is this? Chalk. Chalk is a noun. It is a thing, right? So anything is a noun. Okay? So I am describing this chalk. I am describing this noun. How am I describing this noun? I am saying that this noun is small. Okay? This is a small chalk. Okay? Small is your positive degree. Now, I am comparing between two things. I am comparing between two things now. Two chalks. Okay? So, what will I say now? I will say white chalk is smaller than pink chalk. Right? White is smaller than pink. So, smaller is what is it? What is it called? It is called as your comparative degree, because I am comparing between two things. And when I compare between more than two, when I compare between more than two, when I compare between more than two, what will I call? I call it white is smallest. What do I say? White is the smallest, because I am comparing between more than two here. Correct? No, I am comparing between more than two. See, here you have 4 chalks. Here you have 1 chalk. So white is definitely the smallest, right? White is definitely the smallest. So you say smallest. That is your superlative degree. Okay, children? Now all of you kindly open your textbook page number 78. Textbook page number 78. And we'll do textbook exercises. You can see the textbook exercises here, right? Fast, faster, fastest. Small, smaller, smallest. Large, larger, largest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Bad, worse, worst. Okay, now we'll do B main also. fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives given in place. He is dash than his brother. Smart. Smart will become smarter because we are comparing between two persons. We are comparing between him and his brother. So, it is comparison between two things. So, smart will become smarter. Okay? Next. She is dash than her sister. So, how many are we comparing between? We are comparing here also between two things. We are comparing between her and her sister. So, pretty will become prettier. It is a comparative degree. Boxing is one of the dash sports. Danger. So, we are comparing all the sports with boxing. So, what will it become? It is a superlative degree because we are comparing one with many, right? So, it is a superlative degree. So, dangerous will become, so danger, boxing is one of the dangerous sports. So, it will become most dangerous. Boxing will become one of the most dangerous sports. We are comparing one sports with other sports. So, many sports. So, it is more than two. It is most dangerous sports. He is the dash man in town. We are comparing him with the people of the town, whole town. So, it is a superlative degree. That means rich will become richest. The giraffe is the dash land animal. So, among all the land animals, we are comparing all the land animals with giraffe. So, it is again a comparison between more than two. So, tall will become tallest. One of the activities climbing the rope was tough. So, we are comparing all the activities, all of the activities with climbing the rope. So, it will become, it is a superlative degree, more than one comparison. So, tough will become toughest. Bicycles are dash than cars. So, here we are comparing bicycles to cars. So, we are comparing one noun to another noun, correct? So, it is a comparative degree. Slow will become slower. The sea is dash than the lake. So, here also you are comparing sea to a lake. You are comparing only two things. So, large will become larger. Glass bottles are dash than plastic bottles. Here also you are comparing glass bottles to plastic bottles. Comparing only two set of things. So, it is good will become better because it is a comparative degree. Okay, so children, see this textbook exercises. I'll show it again. Kindly complete your textbook exercises. Okay, if you still have any doubt after this also, kindly come to the interactive session and ask me any doubts you have. Okay, we shall meet in the interactive session. Okay children, till then, take care, bye. This completes the chapter and I'll send you the notes after the interactive session. Okay children, thank you.